A new bombshell report from the Washington Post says the materials seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida home in August could contain information on the nuclear capabilities of a foreign nation. Meanwhile, the fallout continues after a Trump-appointed federal judge in Florida issued an order for a neutral party or special master to review the documents. Natalie Brandt has more.
The Washington Post reports that a document recovered from former President Donald Trump's Florida estate contained information about the defense and nuclear capabilities of a foreign government. The Post cited people familiar with the matter who did not identify which foreign government. CBS News has not independently verified the report, which said the document was among the more than 100 classified materials seized in August.
For the president to take this important information down to his home in Florida and then store it in a closet with traffic, people back and forth in his resort and golf course is an outrage.
Lawmakers returning from recess commented on the Department of Justice investigation and a federal judge's decision to appoint a special master to review the documents seized last month from Mar-a-Lago.
That is standard in these kind of cases, to have somebody look and separate out what's privileged and not privileged, and I certainly don't trust DOJ to do it.
Both the Justice Department and former president's attorneys have until Friday to submit a list of proposed candidates to serve as special master. Trump's former Attorney General Bill Barr told Fox News the Justice Department should appeal.
The dispute is whether the president, even if it is executive privilege, can the president bar DOJ from reviewing the documents? And the answer to that, I think, is clearly no.
Former federal prosecutors say the judge's decision to pause the DOJ's access to the classified material pending independent review will slow down the investigation.
The government can't unlearn or unknow what it now knows from having recovered these materials, from having reviewed them.
The judge has ruled that the Office of the Director of National Intelligence could continue its separate review of the potential risk that moving classified documents to Trump's home posed to national security. Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Washington.
A spokesman for Trump lashed out at the Washington Post report, accusing the paper of working with the Biden administration in, quote, never-ending leaks and lies. Now, the White House has repeatedly denied it was given a heads up on the Mar-a-Lago search and has said the Department of Justice operates independently on law enforcement matters. A judge has struck down Michigan's 1931 anti-abortion law months after suspending it last spring. The judge said that the law violates the Michigan Constitution. It was long dormant before the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June. The 1931 law makes it a crime to perform abortions unless the life of the mother is in danger. Separately, the Michigan Supreme Court is considering whether to place a proposed amendment on the November 8th ballot that would add abortion rights to the Michigan Constitution. And over in New York, the mask mandate is officially over. New York's governor made the announcement today that masks won't have to be worn on public transportation such as the subway and buses. The rule also ends for airports, homeless shelters, correctional facilities, and detention centers. New York's new COVID case average is down 39% in the last month, and COVID hospitalizations are down 20% in that same time frame.
Department of Health will be issuing new guidance regarding masks based on the CDC guidance, and starting today, masks will be optional.
Now, masking requirements will remain in effect, though, for adult care facilities and other health facilities regulated by the State Department of Health.